Hey guys, an addendum to tonight's picking videos is this very small lock. It's a suitcase lock, but it's made by VIRO, Italy. And VIRO usually make very good locks. So I decided I'll pay the €5 I gave for this lock, which I believe were too much, but even so, €5 it was a reduced price. Still, there are some things that frustrate me about this lock. As I said, it's a 3-pin lock. It does work perfectly. That. And while I was picking it, I decided to give it a try and single pick it. Pin number 2 is actually a security pin. But why do you go to all the trouble and inserting a security pin when this lock is bypassable? You can really just stick a pick inside, go on the back and click. It's open. So I am really puzzled by this lock. No security, really, no security. But there is a security pin inside and it's a VIRO. Really puzzling lock. Just wanted to share. Stay safe, stay legal, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.